Good morning. Today I'm going to show you some different ways that I fold towels. Every family, at least when I was growing up, we had the correct way to fold. I believe in folding towels the way I need them to be used. So I have 3 or 4 different ways that I fold towels in our home. And I thought I'd go through each of them, and I'm going to begin with the roll. Now I use the roll for 2 purposes. One is I use them for storage, and mainly for our dog's towels, or towels I don't mind if they turn into rags, just scruffy towels. And I also use them for a basket in my guest room, in my guest bathroom. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you that method. The best part with this kind, this is a new way I've learned to do it recently. And the best way with this is you fold it in half like this, so you get, or you fold it so that you get a triangle at one end and the square at the other end. And then you take the top 2 corners, you fold them across here so that they line up, okay? Then you flip them all over like this. And you go to the end of them and you just roll. You roll it up, trying to keep this as square as possible. And I'll move back to the camera and give you a little bit more of a close-up for the end. So when you go to the end of them, what you want to do is you take this and you just stick it in the fabric here. And then they stay in one's roll, see? They stay together. It's also great for camping, or if you got bath towels for your kids or for the swimming pool, that kind of thing. That's the one way I roll towels, okay? Hope you find that helpful.